Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your vehicle, and today we're talking about the FH Group Automotive floor mats. If you're a Honda Civic owner, these mats are the best choice to protect your car's interior and elevate your driving experience. First, let's dive into the features that make these mats stand out. The FH Group Automotive floor mats are made from heavy-duty rubber, ensuring long-lasting durability. Whether you're dealing with mud, snow, or rain, these mats are built to handle it all. You won't have to worry about them cracking or deforming over time. The flexible material molds to the shape of your vehicle, providing a semi-customizable fit that works for most vehicles, including your Honda Civic. What makes these mats even more versatile is their trimmable design. You can easily cut them to fit the exact shape of your vehicle, making them perfect for customizing the interior of your car. No more worrying about mats that are too big or too small. These are designed to offer a perfect fit every time. Another standout feature is the climate-proof technology. These mats are made to withstand all weather conditions, whether it's hot, cold, rainy, or snowy. Your car's interior will be protected, keeping your carpets clean and dry. The mats have deep ridge channels that trap any dirt, water, or debris, preventing spills from leaking onto your car's floor. The rubber construction also makes cleaning these mats a breeze. Simply rinse them off, and they're good as new. They provide excellent all-weather protection and won't hold onto any nasty smells, which is especially important when it comes to your car's interior. Installation is also quick and easy. Once you trim them to size, simply place them in your car, and you're done. The mats stay securely in place, even during the most hectic drives. To summarize, if you're looking for the best floor mats for your Honda Civic, these FH Group Automotive floor mats are an excellent choice. They offer a universal fit, are durable, weather-resistant, and are incredibly easy to maintain. Plus, they're affordable, making them a great investment for anyone who wants to protect their car's interior. That's all for today's review. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more car accessory reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.